If I were the kind of creature that could simply sum up something as complex as a calendar year in one word, I'd probably use the word special to describe 2014 as it applies to comic books. It was a year where DC continued to show the New 52 was a good idea that actually gave creators more room to tell new stories and not just retell old ones like we feared. It was a year where Marvel embraced the idea of being all new, changing up identities, roles, and rosters in preparation for bringing us all new old stuff next year. It was also a year that Image deployed a business strategy that can be best described as
Release the Kraken!
Absolutely butt-smashing us every single week with interesting new hashtag ones until they had bloated my pull list to the size of one of those half-scooter, half-butter people that live at Walmart. However, there was only one book that had a weight between issues analogous to dental work and produced a feeling after reading that was like an orgasm of the cerebellum and soul. And that book was... Sex Criminals, written by Matt Fraction and drawn by Chip Zdarsky. Sex Criminals is a book with a beating heart. A gooey, raw, extra veiny one. Its story is an unsettled metaphor for falling in love, and it shows the idea in its most beautiful and gory lights. Main characters Susie and John bring their personal baggage into the relationship, unable or unready to filter it out. Both Susie and John have the power to stop time when they orgasm, and they use this power first to commit crimes and later to wage war in an organization of similarly powered people calling themselves the Sex Police. Love and sex are shown without a clean Hollywood coat of varnish. It's silly and gross, and characters act rashly, making mistakes and lashing both outwardly and inwardly to protect themselves and mask their traumas. It's all instantly relatable and endearing, and it manages to be touching without ever being melancholy, sporting that out-of-nowhere yet never out-of-place roundhouse kick of comedy that Matt Fraction pretty much is a trademark on. So congratulations to Sex Criminals for being the best book in the cosmos for the year 2014. If you are not reading this book, then shame on you. Shame. You're bad. And you're going to comic book hell. And real hell. So that does it for this year in 2 Minutes in Comics, and also the very first year of Videogame Timemachine. But don't worry. Nothing ends, Adrian. Nothing never ends. We'll be back after the first year with more comic book news and nonsense, along with new shows and new programming. Please subscribe and leave your ideas for new episodes and show ideas in the comments below. Thank you all for being here from the beginning. We have big time Hollywood stuff planned for 2015, so stay tuned and Happy New Year. That's 2 Minutes in Comics. Peace out!